Jaji wa igoti nene ria Kirugoya Richard Mwongo ni ugite rendekithia ria kurekererio na bodi kwa mwene kirabu John Muriithi hari andu 17 kuma Kangai na Kandogu marakuire rigathira thutha wa aira aria magwetetwo ni gikundi kia acirithania guthikiririo thiku 60 nginya thiku 90.
Listen to the submissions of counsel on the bail bond application for the first accused. Carefully considered the application.
Riri mugomo wa arigitani uingirite thiku ya 29 umuthi, mutongoria wa mwahu wa Azimio Raila Odinga ni arireirie mugomo uyu uria uthararitie motungata ma urigitani mathibitari-ini ma muingi 57 guku bururi-ini.
We have reviewed the fact that members of the 7,000 strong Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union have been on strike since March 13th to demand better pay, and the strike has disrupted healthcare in the country's 57 public hospitals. We are of the view that the situation is moving from bad to worse, and soon we will have a full-blown crisis in which all health workers will down their tools.
Mama odo maria rairendekithite kuri thirikari nene gukorwo makiongerera arigitani mishara nginyagia ciringi 260 kuriha marihi ma thukuru kuri arutwo aria marathoma mathomo ma ngathi ya iguru uigananu wira-ini wao hamwe na kuhukia mathina maria arigitani mageragira hindi iria marandikwo mawira.
We therefore appeal to the government to address itself to the following 3 broad areas as a way of progress towards ending this strike. Pay for medical interns. For the last 7 years, interns have been earning 206,000 shillings per month. I therefore ask the government to reinstate the 206,000 shilling pay for interns until the next CBA negotiation, which is around the corner, kicks in. Fees and salaries for doctors pursuing further studies. Counties are supposed to pay salaries of doctors who are enrolled for further studies like master's degree, while the Ministry of Health is supposed to pay fees. Address the problem of doctors on contract. Equal pay for equal work.
Gukiri ogwo, Raila ni oritie thirikari ya William Ruto hamwe na maabitha urigitani gukorwo makigia na giikaro niguo kwaririria maundu maya na ihenya uria kwahoteka kuona ugima wa mwiri wa muingi urathie na mbere kuhotoma.
I have a personal appeal to both the government and the doctors. After very wide consultations, I am convinced that the doctors and all other health workers currently on strike will be able to craft a return to work formula and resume duty if the government were to meet their demands halfway while negotiations continue. We ask them to act now, and if they don't, of course they know that the consequences will be very grave indeed.
Na tugetigana na icio turike nginya kuria kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga na